Hi guys, welcome to my Look for Less DIY. So let's go ahead and jump right into this DIY. I somehow have lost some of the video. We had a friend from church give us some wood, and I had a picture of the wood and sort of wanted to show what it had looked like. But we also lost some of our footage where we had taken and cut the wood and also have stained it. So this is where we're going to have to start from. I've got the sides. I'm going to give all the dimensions in the description below, but I've got 6 of the longer sides that are 18 inches, and then about 8.5 inches, or I think it's 9 inches for each one of the sides, and there's going to be 3 slats for each side on all 4 sides. And some of the ones you're seeing here are just for the bottom that's going to be placed in the bottom. So this is going to sit out on my porch, and that way if it does rain or any moisture gets in there, it's just going to be some open slats where that water will just run through. I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in the ivory and pumpkin, and then I do also have some brown paint that I'm going to use for stenciling the letters on the side of the boards. 2 of the 9-inch boards and 2 of the 18-inch boards will get painted with the Waverly Pumpkin, and then also with the Waverly Ivory I will do the other set. If you're wondering what I'm making this crate, and this one's from Macy's, and it shows it's for $105, of course, with the sale. And these are the dimensions over at the Home Depot site, and it's like a 12 by 14 inch crate. So I'm making mine about a 9 by 18. But of course, theirs is priced for a set of 2, a large and a small. Of course, we want to thank our beautiful host and co-host, Yami from the Latino Next Door, and Blondie Next Door is the co-host for this month. So their channels will be linked below in the description box, along with the playlist to this Look for Less challenge. I have already used my silhouette cameo to print out my pumpkin sign and my fresh baked pies, and also hayrides is what's going to go on the front side and the back side on each slat on this crate. Keep in mind, if you want to make this crate, you can use stencils. If you have great penmanship and drawing abilities, you could just draw these on. You could also trace them on and then paint it. So whatever works for you. I am happy to have my silhouette cameo, but I know a lot of people don't have them. So there are other options to put on this crate. Also, a possibility of just using the little wooden letters that come from Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree and glue those, paint those and glue them on the side. I know one of my little leaves on this stencil didn't turn out, but I'm okay with the imperfections. That's what is so great about something being homemade. Welcome to Our Patch will be stenciled on each side of the crate on both sides. The top slats are painted the Waverly Pumpkin, the middle slats are painted the Waverly Ivory, and the bottom slats are just stained and then stenciled with ivory, Waverly Ivory paint. The stain, of course, is just a preference. I think I chose some pecan stain. It could be anything that you like though. The little pumpkin next to the word patch wasn't on the original one, but I just decided to add that. I thought it would just be a cute touch to my own crate. And what I'm planning to do with my crate is put it on my porch. And I have thrifted some flannel throws that will go in there, so if we're sitting out on the porch during the autumn evenings and need a blanket, they will be right there in this pumpkin crate on my porch for us to enjoy. Now taking all of the pieces that have been painted and stained out to the shop, Mr. Fix-It wanted to help, and of course I'm always happy about that. So this is just going to be laid out in the way that it's going to go together, and he's going to air pin all of the pieces together.
Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, that old gag never gets old.
The 8-inch pieces of wood are now being placed in the bottom so that these slats have a little bit of a gap, so that if it does rain or get wet, that it's not going to hold water and everything will dry out fairly quickly. Okay guys, here it is all put together. Let me know in the comments what you think about my pumpkin crate. I think I have about $10 in this crate.